Withdrawing funds from your Robinhood account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device or access the website on your computer. Log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to your account. Once logged in, locate the account icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of the app. Click on it to access your account settings and options. Step 3. Select Transfers. In the account menu, look for the Transfers option. This section allows you to manage your funds, including deposits and withdrawals. Step 4. Choose Withdraw Funds. After selecting Transfers, find and click on the Withdraw Funds option. This will take you to the withdrawal process where you can specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Step 5. Confirm withdrawal details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have completed these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your bank account for the funds to arrive, which may take a few business days.